So, guys, today I'm going to show you this extension Linear AI. It's an AI extension, your AI co-pilot powered by Chat GPT. So you can see here, this extension can be used with Google Search. It works as a Google Search assistant. Get Chat GPT best responses next to Google search results. Check out article references from which Linear AI generated answers. So let's see. It is similar to Perplexity, but it has 5,000 reviews. So I just thought of checking it out and showing it to you. So let's go ahead. And I just installed it. So Linear is installed. So I'll just go to Linear, pin it here, or just pin this extension. Now I'll sign in or sign up with my email. I guess it's sign up, not sign in, sorry. So I just signed up to this extension. Now. Let's do age. Okay, my age. Let's mail. Oops, did it work or no? Yeah, it's working. Bit slower though. Just focus on the Spider-Man walking guide, so you'll see where the mouse is. Okay. Get linear. Everybody Google search best responses. Okay, also it just gave us countdown timer to read this. I just clicked on next. Okay, get your questions answered by linear AI chat. So let's see how does it work now. Okay. Okay, fourth of four, highlight to save the key points. When you discover what you like, highlight to save. Oh, all right. It is showing it here. Just highlight it and save it here. Okay, let's see. Let's go next. No, I want the free plan right now. So I'll just. All right, so this is the linear extension here, guys. So ask anything. Okay. Best AI tools. That's what I'm going to ask it. Oh, so it gives only three free searches. Upgrade to Pro for unlimited this. Okay. Forbes has an article titled Beyond ChatGPT 14 mind blowing. So it is going to the top websites here. Top AI tools list categorizes a variety of AI tools and services. Okay. Top AI tools. Okay. Elegant Themes has a blog post related to or titled 33 best AI tools to boost productivity in 2023, free and paid. Right, so like just click on, if we take the pro plan, we see here we get the GPT-4, and it is giving follow-up questions as well. Once I ask it to search best AI tools, it is giving us AI platforms, machine learning libraries, natural language processing tools. All right, so once I click on save, saved in my highlights, you see. So I guess, so even if I, so you see one is clickable here. And here are more sources you get here from Zapier, Euronews, Forbes, Top AI Tools, Elegant Themes, and here are the searches. It's like Google. That's right. Yeah, it is assisting Google with its own AI algorithm. That's cool. Top 10 AI platforms. I'll just click on HubSpot anytime. I just look at the HubSpot blog posts, guys. They are the best. Nothing against anybody, but I love HubSpot posts. They are very informative, detailed, smart. So you see, these are the AI tools we get from this tool. And let's see what are these options. This is search again. So it brings us back to search of linear AI. What is this? Let's see. Linear chat. Hi, Preston Chidgupta. Feel free to ask me anything. So can you tell me how to make ragu pasta? See, we're already trying pro for fee. So it's a new tab here on the right once you see near Spider-Man walking. It is taking pretty much time to answer. Anyways, we'll go next. So it's what, turn your home feed with your interests. Turn on your home feed. All right. Durate, HYPD, investing.com. So unlimited collections, all AI features, and night more advanced. So they're trying to sell pretty salesy. I find it. It's cool. It's cool. I like it, guys. So overall, this is the extension, guys, and use is to search it, but it gives only three free searches. Three. So somewhere I feel like it's an okay tool, but I find it interesting. But you have to pay for it. The paid plan will be like 1083 per month, not that much, but YouTube highlight, two highlight colors up to okay, unlimited web highlights. Okay, unlimited web highlights we do have here, I guess. I guess so. Let's see. If I once I go back, even I go back one more time and I click on search. So I guess we can search as many times as we wish. Let's say I search this. I'll try three searches right now as it gave us. Well, it is a bit slow, honestly speaking. It doesn't type immediately. Sometimes it is irritating, once you're working on something and you have given, let's say, few hours, then it becomes very irritating. So you have one search left. Okay, let's go. I'll search something else again. Clicked on enter. One. Okay. Oh, is it really? One more thing is it should, once you click on the search button, something which has a link, it should open in the new tab or new window. It is not doing it. It is sometimes irritating. We need to go back to the previous search page always. So these are the minus points I find very. Your last free search. You see here. Now let's go for the last. See, it takes pretty much time. Let's see. Okay, I'm giving the last search now. Okay, the last search is done. Okay, so daily we're gonna get 3 to 4 searches, so you can use it like that. But I honestly, my personal opinion, I will not go with this. Other similar extensions are there, guys. All right. So see you in the next one, guys. This was the tutorial for this tool, which is called as Liner AI. All right, guys. So see you in the next one. Bye bye. Till then, take care and join my Telegram group in the description.